Just arrived in Bangkok, checked into my room, very nice, no chairs. Okay, I've organised a trip to see a couple of markets this morning. It seemed a really good idea at the time, but it's 5 AM and I really wish I wasn't going at the moment. But I've wanted to do this for years, so let's go and see what they're like. The railway market was tourists waving at tourists, and the floating market is more tourists riding boats than market. And I think I'm on a boat in a minute. Tourists have got to do it, haven't they? We're going nowhere very quickly. Nowhere.